Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're here with another delicious recipe, which is with soya chunks. So let's get started with the ingredients. So first, we need 1 small piece of ginger, some chilies, a few cloves of garlic, 2 onions, 3 tomatoes, and our most important, which is soya chunks. So let's get started with cooking. Now, in a pot, saute the chilies, garlic, ginger, onions, and tomatoes with some oil. Then adding some salt according to taste and some turmeric powder, mix it well. Now, add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder for the spicy taste. And mix well, and then add in a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for the very nice red color. And mix well again. At last, add a spoonful of coriander powder, mix well, and keep it aside. Then, in another cooking pot, boil some water and add in the 2 cups of soya chunks, or how much soya chunks you prefer, and cook them for a few minutes. Make sure to mix the soya chunks in between the time. After it has cooked and cooled down, squeeze out the excess water from it and then marinate it with some salt and some chili powder, again according to taste. After the marination process, cook it with some oil until the soya chunks turn slightly golden brown. Meanwhile, blend in some yogurt and then the sauteed tomato to a very fine paste. I blended the yogurt first to make it more flavorful. Now add in the paste in another pot and mix it well. Now, as you can see, our soya chunks are already slightly brown and cooked well. And we'll mix this and switch off the flame and add in these soya chunks to the fine paste we made earlier. And mix the paste and our soya chunks well and cook it for like a few minutes. So as you can see, our soya chunks is ready. It's smelling very nice and I hope it's delicious. Then serve it in a bowl and enjoy. It is very delicious and easy to make. It does not take enough time. So hope you guys try it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.